So let's talk home maintenance during the winter months. We've got some crazy winter weather coming up next week. So here are 5 things that you need to focus on. Number one is check your heating system and make sure it is working properly. Call PSENG, have them come out and do a maintenance check, change out the filters, and make sure that everything is okay and running properly. Number two is seal windows and doors or anywhere that there's a draft. You can use weather stripping or caulking to plug in any holes where cold air can come through. Number three is to check your gutters and your roof. You want to make sure that your gutters are free of debris because if they're not, ice dams can form. And also check your roof. Get a roofer out. Make sure that there aren't any loose shingles or flashing, because if water can get through there, it will cause major damage for you. Number four is you want to protect your piping. If on those really, really cold nights, leave the faucet on a little bit just to have a little bit of water come through the pipes. Also, any pipes are in the basement or garage that get really cold, insulate them as much as you can to prevent pipes from freezing. And finally, number five, make sure that your chimney is clean. Get a professional chimney sweep to clean out your chimney, especially if you use your fireplace for wood burning fires. Also, don't forget to stock up on ice melt and have your shovels ready, and even some extra flashlights with batteries so that if you lose power, you'll be able to access that very easily. So stay safe, stay warm, and make sure that you maintain your home because it will make a difference down the road.